Oh, it's like moving slow today for some reason. Mr. Porter, you had something? I don't know. Is it something with this case? Oh, let me see.
See, that'd be way before the time, that's what.
All righty.
Yeah.
All right, Deputy Laura? Napoleon Vasquez, Norma, he's to be here tomorrow. Just a moment.
Yeah.
Yes.
What
What pages? I'm sorry, what's his name? Could I see the paperwork on Fidencio Gonzalez, please? All right, let's bring him in. Deputies, we're going to proceed with the sentencing on Fidencio Gonzalez. No problem.
Is the jury coming in? Oh,
Thank you.
My name is Detective Lynn, and you're Alicia, what's your last name?
Elisa Ramirez,
And what's your date of birth, Miss Ramirez?
10/20/1985.
So, do you know this gentleman?
I don't know him other than 4 days ago.
Okay, how did you meet 4 days ago?
I met him.
Okay, just give me 1 second. Let me do this and then I'll be able to take that up. And Norma, on that one, I believe it's Mr. Cox. If you could call him, please. All right, thank you. Yes. Court is calling 2025 CR 009869 State versus Fidencio Gonzalez. Can I have parties announced?
Okay, it's not as happening. Did we have one list?
And are you Mr. Gonzalez? You entered a plea to count 2. According to your plea bargain agreement, punishment is to be assessed at a cap of 10 years in the prison. There's a $2,000 fine. The state is opposed to your application, and they're taking in consideration 2025 CR 012507. Let me see. Was the PSI waived in this case?
No, you're okay.
All right. Have both parties had a chance to review the PSI report? Any objections, defense?
No,
All right. State, do you have any witnesses?
No, Your Honor.
Defense, do you have witnesses?
you have one.
All right, call your witness.
Stand up here.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God? All right, you can lower your hand. Make sure you keep your voice up so everyone can hear your testimony. If you'll state your name for the record. All right, you may proceed.
Ms. Gonzalez, you are married to Fidencio Gonzalez, is that correct? And you understand that today the judge is sending a decision on this application for probation. That's all. I understand that you want to address the court prior to her. Is that correct? But what is it that you want to do before?
It has been kind of hard, but I still hope, you know, I'm going to do it.
The pre-sentence investigation report indicates that you have certain forms of condition. What is your and how does that affect you? How often do you have these installed? It's a regular weekly occurrence, right? So when you're unable to get out of things, who is it that assists you around the house with your son?
no medication. It's very sick.
Is that important to maintain the household?
Yes.
You have anybody else that step in and take that role? You understand that it's your kind of problems, but you think if you an opportunity. Just in way you could. Good news. Driving you to it. Yeah. And you think that he's in a position to be successful? You and he have had opportunity to discuss this case over the course last week. Has he indicated what's going on with him? You could go back and change. You were present this against Curtis. There was just a whole lot of decisions. Pretty much set up.
It's a bad pen.
Very belief that absolutely.
All right, before you cross off the record for a moment. Okay. Okay, now I remember. All right, you may proceed.
Hamilton Dolphin joins as I represent the seat of Texas.
Well, you would have stat. The first thing you gotta get on.
We're married on the like conference. My is that there? And Mr. Gonzalez shared because we see because some that was because we've said something around yes. Would it surprise you to learn he was a PSI officer that you're signing? So what Mr. Gonzalez told the PSI officer. Does Mr. Gonzalez have any dependents? What do you think that someone can do on residents or their?
All right, any other questions? All right, thank you for coming in. Any other witnesses?
Yeah, Mr.
All right, you can come forward. Can you raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God? All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record. All right, you may proceed.
And it's a unison. To address what part of that decision.
Right now.
I don't think remorse is never. The right word is they go away.
I'll be
Understand what for they said about the jump. Still be. I don't see. I don't know. You work out for my Bible.
You got the tape? Oh.
I really wish I
Did she do it? She
did.
did. But I remember texting back and forth with her for some time because her phone was actually one of the they have to exist.
All I do is.
Okay, so here's the thing. This is what I don't understand, and I want to get to the crux of the issues. I don't understand how you say you've been to prison, you learned from that, and now we're here with somebody being hit over their head with a bottle, and it's an elderly person.
Right.
So explain.
Definitely said that shouldn't happen. We were under the influence.
You need to think about a couple of things.
Tracking down there. I was just,
You really-
honestly, I was just trying to get like.
Communication is key. But you're not fighting, but it wasn't blind.
I know it's. Been 10 years. I mean, I'm not trying to use it, but I haven't fighting it.
Next time.
So I know that. If that, but I know that.
But in the police report, you know what it says? In the police report, it says that this person was trying to stop a fight and he ends up getting hit in the head with a glass bottle. No, I mean, I'm reading, this is what it says.
Send it up. And I don't know if the court recalled that she, did you view the video?
Yes, I did.
In that video, what you'll see is the complaining witness goes outside a door to where Fidencio and his family are. He then comes inside and he's just standing at a table, and then there's a rush to go run over there. He's not involved in separating himself. So I think there was a whole lot of stuff going on that day, and there was a separate incident going on.
Oh, now I know there's a separate incident. I remember this. There's a separate incident. There's a shooting involved and there's all of this other thing that's going on. I understand.
When
And she'd say, bring it up to me.
Fidencio wants,
Right?
for the police,
Not with table.
he's not, still crucified, separating or stopping, that the video shows of pulling the voters back into what he's initially trying to go out.
Oh, I'm sorry, it's Della Serta. Yes. Okay. You may continue if you have something else you want me to know.
Subside. They never paid you the 5 days. Does that help you?
I was really good.
Actually, hurt.
I mean, that's enough. So what I've been trying to do. My family.
Well, see, here's the thing. People always say their family needs them, but they don't think about that beforehand.
That kind of, I'm not trying to go into everything. It was about that type of language shouldn't have happened. And I'm do everything that should have, anything that ever happened, like off camera where nobody has seen. I'm the one always trying to know why we're going so walking away from that day. Very unfortunate and different. That's never happened.
Right.
State any questions?
Mr. Gonzalez, you would agree that you've been on probation. Well, in 2007, you were on probation for a theft, is that correct?
Part of it is. It's a question.
You can't recall. Okay, would it surprise you to learn that you were put on deferred adjudication and that probation was later revoked? You can't remember?
I'll get up and-
Was that juvenile? I've grown up a lot. I've grown up a lot. I was 16, 17, I was born.
And then in 2009, how was it open? Okay, and you recall the conviction in the
I was there, but I was in prison already.
Okay, and then again in 2007, you were sentenced, is that correct?
That was for all the same thing, at the same
Yes.
time.
Do you recall what offense it was though on 12/3/2007? The aggravated robbery, yes. And you were sentenced, correct?
That's fine.
So how can you reconcile to this court that you were changed if it was only 4 years between that parole discharge and then your one?
Or discharge?
Mhm.
Well, from the moment that it happened, yeah. And I know that from the time that that discharged, there's some things. Here I went into prison, I was 19, and I was a kid still. And whatever that I went through, I grew up, and I'm not that same person anymore. I'm a adult, and I understand everything that's going on, and that's why I try to stay away from the problems. I'm just trying to just build my life and build a family, and that's it. I would never want to be in this courtroom. I never imagined myself being here again ever in my life. It makes me sick.
If you are here again, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
No further questions, right?
All right, any other witnesses? All right, the court will hear argument. State.
Your Honor, we'd be asking for you to sentence for 10 years, and denying the defendant's application. He's already taken a trip to TDC for a violent offense. It was paroled 4 years prior to the same offense, so because of his history, and then he chose the underlying offense.
Defense.
Your Honor, the aggravated offense that he had occurred in 2007. He was 19 years old. He spent a large amount of time locked up and on parole. He successfully charged parole. He was revoked. So he did well on parole, and did well for the 4 years in parole this case happened. As the court knows, it was a lot of things going on at that bar. It was tragic. It affected Mr. Gonzalez and his life. Honestly, he's changed from the old kid that he was in prison. That's inaccurate. It's true. This particular night, though, things got out of control, and all the way around, and made a bad decision. I understand that the court's in a difficult position, and making the decision that they feel comfortable that letting the court know that he's been reliable, he's been trustworthy, he's done what he said he's supposed to do while he's been on this monitor lately. We would ask the court to take a chance on him. He's not going to be sure that he can't in fact succeed. If he screws up, then but I don't believe that's going to happen. He and his family will position successful.
All right, this is what I'm going to do. I'm gonna have you come back here tomorrow at 9. Attorney, you need to be here exactly at 9. And at that time, I'll give you my decision. All right.
Okay.
Thank you. Ms. Ferguson, if you can give them a reset form for 9. Thank you.
Okay.
And Deputy Laura, the other people will need to be back here tomorrow at 9.
Yes.